Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR haul. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing these or not. Let me know if you guys are interested. In no way, shape, or form am I showing off or anything like that. I don't get PR like every week or anything like that. I believe all of these products I've actually received in the last month or so. I opened them up, but I haven't done anything with them. They've just been in their boxes in the floor down here, so I figured, I know sometimes people do PR hauls, but I don't know if you guys would be interested, so I'm gonna try it out. Let me know if you guys are still interested to see what all I receive. Small creator, I don't get a ton of PR, but there are a few brands that do send stuff every once in a while, so if you'd love to see what products I got, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first product I received, actually gonna mention this, I got it yesterday in the mail. I got a product from Good Molecules. They sent over their Clarify and Cleanse bar. I don't know, I've never tried it. This is obviously a skincare product. I do get more skincare than actual makeup usually, so probably why I don't really do these hauls, but I figured, again, I saw them all by my wall on the floor and I figured, let me go ahead and share with you guys. Maybe you guys have tried some of these products or maybe want me to try out and see what I think of them. So again, this is the Clarify and Cleanse bar. This is a soap-free cleansing bar formulated with salicylic acid, kaolin, clay, and cocoa powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. I don't really have acne-prone skin, so I don't know if I should try this out. But yeah, I did receive this. Next up, I received a package from LA Colors, and they did actually send this in a big box, but I just kind of took it out of the big box so I can get rid of the box. So the first thing in here, they sent over some nail polish. It says Color Mania Nail Polish Mood Boosting Pops of Color. So they have 8 new shades, or shades they've already had, I'm not sure. And this is just what it looks like in the box. So they sent over all of these shades here. These will be fun to still use in the fall season. I do paint my daughter's nails. I do dip on my nails, so I don't use polish on my fingernails, but I do still use polish on my toenails. So these will be fun. These are fun colors. Ooh, this color's really pretty, like this blue color. All of them are really fun, and yeah, I'll be using these for sure. And also on my daughter, again, I do paint her toenails as well. And then the other box is actually eyelashes, like Halloween inspired lashes. So this is their Enchanted Night Lash collection. So this will be fun to use for Halloween. Here are all the different styles they sent over. I'll still show you guys. So this is a pair of eyelashes, and it does come with some lash adhesive as well. So this style, does it say? Oh yeah, this is the Fantasy Festival style. It does have some glitter on the bottom of the eyelashes. This one is Mystic Carnival, right there. This one is Moulin Rouge. And then 3 more. This one's Queen of the Night. Day of the Dead. And Siren Maiden? Not sure. But those are it, what they sent over. Pretty cool eyelashes. I guess if I actually did Halloween looks, these would have worked out super well for me. But I really don't do Halloween looks, but this is nice. So thank you so much, LA Colors, and as well Good Molecules, for sending those my way. I do also have an Ipsy Box. I could probably do an unboxing, maybe. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so they did send over the Ipsy Box for October. Sometimes the products in the bag are part of the Ipsy Glam bag and not the Ipsy just bag. So this bag is super cute. It has little fangs. Sometimes I include these in future giveaways and stuff like that, like the bags. So the first product in here is the Detox Shampoo. I do get the boxes sent to me by Ipsy, so I just again, sharing you guys what is in here. So that's a shampoo. This one's a little quad. It's super cute, actually. I even thought about like, ooh, I should like take this with me when I travel. This is the Cella times Vela Beauty Hello Beautiful palette. How cute is this little palette? And these are definitely shades up my alley. It's a really small palette. This is super cute. If you guys watched my travel makeup bag, you guys saw I took like a little palette. So this is really cute. I actually have a trip planned to go to Florida in December. And I'm excited because I'm gonna get to hopefully meet up with a girl I met through YouTube. She doesn't do YouTube videos anymore, but I am supposed to meet up with her, so I'm super excited. She lives in Florida. Let me see here. Next thing, I got an eyeshadow primer from M2U NYC. And then the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I'm right now using the water cream that came in a box from Ipsy a few months ago maybe, or last month or the month before, and I'm loving it. They're so expensive though. And this is the Guilty Pleasure lip gloss. This is actually really pretty. So there's that. So this is what was all in the little bag here. Again, I don't know if all the products usually come in the glam bag, because again, they just kind of mix everything up in here sometimes. So yeah, this is fun. And then the theme is pretty wicked. So next up in here is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. They send a lot of skincare products in the Ipsy bags. Don't you guys think? Like, are you guys subscribed to Ipsy? What do you guys think of that? So it's just a serum there. They also got, I'm excited for this actually. This is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I'm excited for this. I suffer from dark circles. I always say that. So I'm excited to try this out and see what it's supposed to help with. Ultra Nourishing Eye Cream hydrates and targets signs of aging. I've noticed I have like a lot of fine lines too. So hopefully that helps out. Advanced peptides and retinol visibly firm and minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. Eye brightening complex reduces the appearance of dark circles, puffiness for brighter, younger looking skin. So again, I'm excited for that. I got another serum, but this one is actually vitamin C serum from the brand Buddha. I like vitamin C serum, so I will most likely be using that as well. We also got the Play Pots Gold Touch Shimmer Finish Cream Pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Let's see here. This is a gold in the shade Gold Touch, so it just looks like that. It's just, I guess, a shimmer. We also got another mascara. I know we've gotten an Il Maquillage mascara in the past in Ipsy boxes. So this is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I haven't tried anything from Il Maquillage, but this one, Intense Volumization Mascara, I definitely would be interested to try out. And then lastly in here is the Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub by Theory Body. I actually need to scrub my body. My legs feel a little itchy, you know how sometimes like in the winter time I kind of want to scratch it. This is the Ipsy Glam bag. This is really cute. And then we also actually got this like scarf. Super cute actually. It's really good quality as well. So yeah, we got that. So those were all the products in the Ipsy bag. Thank you, Ipsy, for sending this my way. Okay, so I got 3 more boxes to share with you guys. I got a package from Derma E. It's a skincare brand. I really enjoy a lot of their products. My skin really loves it. So this is a vitamin C box. This is the Vitamin C Daily. There's a fly in here, you guys. I didn't get it. This is the Vitamin C Gentle Daily Cleansing Paste. I don't think I've tried this out yet. This is the Vitamin C Instant Radiance Citrus Facial Peel. I haven't tried any of their peels either. And then lastly in here is the Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. I'll most likely use this one again. I really enjoy using vitamin C products. Vitamin C is good for brightening of the skin. I really love vitamin C products. And then there's this little baggie here that says clean is beautiful. So super cute. And that is everything they sent over. Next up, I got a package from Urban Decay. I actually did get sent their Cyber palette. Cyber? I think it's called Cyber. Yeah, Naked Cyber palette. I haven't even used this yet. Let me know if you guys are interested in me doing a video on this palette here. I'm pretty sure it's going to be more on the soft side looks. This is pretty fun. This is definitely more work appropriate. I feel like if you want something super blinding and like multi-chrome, this is not gonna be it, but this is actually really beautiful. So again, I haven't tried this out yet. I need to, but if you guys are interested for me to do a video on this, definitely let me know. So they sent over the palette, and then I also got, let's see, oh, an Urban Decay primer potion in original. I haven't used a primer potion in forever, so this will be very nifty. And then they also sent over their Perversion mascara in black. I've tried this before and I really liked it. And then they also sent over their 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Rockstar, which is a purple color right there. So this is super fun. I'm super thankful to get PR from Urban Decay. That's like, it blows my mind when I get an email from them to see if I want to receive their products. Like, I'm super thankful. And again, it's because of you guys watching my videos and, you know, helping me out watching my videos. I'm just super thankful. And then the last box I have here is from Pixi. I'm pretty thankful to get any PR, to be honest, but again, this is also a skincare. So they sent over some masks and they're just in here. Can you see? Yeah. They sent a nourishing and energizing mask, a smoothing and hydrating mask, and a brightening and smoothing mask. So these babies are big. I have not tried any of these out. I don't think it's powder or anything like that, right? I think it's an actual like gel. Yeah, it says gel, coconut milk gel mask. I'm wondering if they were like powder and you mix it, but most likely not. No, these are gel masks. This is a big papa. Wow. 10 fluid ounces. So yeah, that is all the PR I've gotten in the past month or so. Let me know, have you tried any of the products? Are you guys interested in me doing any videos? Again, a lot of this is mostly skincare, a few makeup products here and there, but yeah, that is the PR I've gotten in the past, again, month or so. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to keep doing them, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you want me to still be doing PR hauls. Sometimes I do the hauls, I just unbox them on my Instagram stories, but again, they were just chilling in their boxes still back here on the floor, so I figured let me do a video. I also love giving back to you guys, so I do set aside some of the products that I do get sent in for future giveaways. So again, it's thanks to you guys that watch my videos and subscribe to my channels that I do get the opportunity to get PR from some brands. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!